Where am I? I thought I would die.
You have not died. This is the eternal in-betweenness.
Huh? Who said that?
You don't need to know that much at the moment.
Huh? What do you mean by that? Hello?
It is not yet time to speak. I must wait until you are ready.
Oh, okay. I guess I'll just explore this place. Hey, put me down!
Ha ha! No!
Ah! 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 Oh my gosh! Are you okay? Yeah. I'm fine. Hold on, let me get a vaccine shot for you! Oops. iPod? Yeah? You know how all of the contestants died last episode? Yeah? So, how are they alive now? Oh, that's a long story. So, flashback time? Flashback time. I wonder how I'm gonna get the contestants back. Well, you could try using that new Siri Recovery Center over there. Oh, I guess I could. Thanks for the help.
Welcome to Siri Recovery Center. How may I help you?
Hello, Siri Recovery Center. Please recover the dead contestants.
Recovering George Washington.
Hello, I'm George Washington. Death. Oh no, that was George Washington! Well, that didn't really work out. Well, you could try using that Google brand recovery center over there. Okay. And a flashback. So, yeah. Hey, treasure chest! What do you want? You suck, you idiot. Wait, what? Since when were you mean? Since when were you American? I was faking the accent to sound cooler. Guys, I have incredible news! Okay, so what is it? It's elimination time. Are you kidding me? Elimination time! Question mark. Welcome to the second elimination. So, what's gonna happen here? Last episode, the viewers voted on who they think deserves to be eliminated from the show. The person with the most votes gets eliminated. Oh, we got 6 votes total today. That's not a lot. Probably because the show sucks. Guys, it's probably because of the viewers only having 5 days to vote this time. Everyone shut up! Anyways, because you're so annoying, you will be receiving mean comments from me as prizes. Oh, okay. The first contestant safe is Super Bowl with 0 votes. You're way too nice to everyone that you don't even have time for anything else. Next safe is Hexy, also with 0 votes. Your appearance has no color, and neither does your personality.
Emotional damage.
Generic Tower has 0 votes. He's safe. Anyways, Generic Tower. As your name implies, you're generic. Also, you're dumb. What? Rubber Ball is safe with 0 votes. I personally hate you. Okay, this is taking too long. I'm just gonna show the votes now. Explodies out. No! Challenge time! Challenge time! Challenge time! Yeah! Oh, it's challenge time, and yeah, it's challenge time. Alright, so today's challenge will be a game of football. Oh no, a thunderstorm! We need to get inside!
And yes, this rainstorm will consist this entire day, so sorry, sports players.
Oh no, now we can't do the challenge. Whatever. You guys can go downstairs and have some fun. I'll be in front of the TV if anyone needs me. Challenge time is canceled. Huh? What's that door? What's that phone? It looks cool. Hello? Hexy, is that you? Yeah, it's me. Wait, chicken leg? I thought you were dead. I thought so too, except I'm in an alternate universe. That's weird. I'm gonna go tell the others about this weird phone.
I like French fries.
You are eliminated, ha 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 ha. Okay, so Hexy, your team wins because you found this phone and that's cool. So yeah, vote you want to be eliminated.